Alright, YouTube. Started up the Am Ryker. Let's see, pick me up a K&N air filter. Want to see how much difference does I get out of the sound of the muffler. So I'll bring it over here so you can hear it. Okay, what I'm going to do is shut it off and install the K&N filter. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this while I record from you guys. See, I have LED lights hooked up, so I couldn't really open the filter up all the way. I had to disconnect. Then I'll be able to open. That's going to be, I think this is the transmission. Okay, it's two tabs underneath. I don't know if you can really see them from under there, but you should be able to feel around. Alright, so there's your old air filter. Here's your new one. Just gonna pop this out. K&M fits in there real nice. Alright, so now I'm going to start it up with the KM filter and we'll see how it sounds. Not that much of a different sound, but I can hear it. It's a little throaty. Sounds good. I'll tell you which filter you need. It's the one I got. That's the exact one that's going to fit into your Am Ryker. This is 600, but I'm assuming that it's the same air size filter for the 900 and the Rally. Alright, there'll be updates. I'm going to put some more LEDs on my Ryker. I'm going to actually wrap it this week, so there'll be a lot more coming. Thanks.